When it comes to vehicle recovery, at least here on this channel, we are pretty inexperienced. Aside from the few times where we were playing around, we haven't really done any proper recovery. So for this video, I am once again meeting up with Joe Hunt, aka Nomad Overland, for a vehicle recovery workshop. We are going to be camping out this night, and in the morning, we are going to learn proper rescue maneuvers, and hopefully learn how not to break our vehicles. This is Adventure GT. Aside from Joe already being set up, we were the first group to arrive, and with rain in the forecast, we quickly tried to figure out our camping layout. We have slept in this rooftop tent before, but this will be the first time on this vehicle, so we have some things left to figure out. Joining us tonight will be some familiar faces, as well as meeting some new fellow overlanders for the first time. Hopefully, we will all avoid the rain that is to show up tonight. But just as a precaution, we are going to set up our makeshift awning to cook under, and that should keep us dry for the most part.
A little rubber grommet. I think we can make it work. Maybe we need more tape. So we pretty much got camp already set up for tonight, at least for us. We got some friends here. We have some more friends still supposed to show up. They're going to be rolling into camp a little bit later tonight. But tonight is basically just a camp out and relax kind of night. We're gonna make some dinner up, maybe spy on some other people's dinners, see what they're making too, and then just hang out by the fire and see who's got the best story. Tomorrow is the workshop day. There's actually an obstacle course built up over there, and I've got all season tires, so I don't know if I'm going to do the obstacle course or just get stuck 7 times trying or break something. But yeah, tonight's just gonna be kind of a chill night. Our little cooler setup. Actually, in another video, we're going to test out how good that trunk is as an overlanding cooler. So look forward to that.
Something, you know. So we had the Jeep. It kind of survived. I mean, it's dented up and scratched up. So
yeah, we used it. Is literally the road or the trail. Drive on it, you can see it, is less than the lane.
Tonight for camp dinner, we are going to be making quesadillas again because it is easy and delicious. Jasmine's going to be doing a little bit of cooking. Thank you. I'm going to go see what our friends are cooking.
Yep.
Oh, they're getting pizza pockets. I'm going to sneak in here.
No light in here, but
So how does that work?
so Joe's got the pie iron.
Okay.
You butter one side of the bread, put it on the pie iron. Pizza squeeze sauce. We're right uptown. Pizza squeeze sauce. Then pepperoni and Canadian bacon. I want green pepper on mine. And then mozzarella cheese.
Cheese it up and just cook it over the campfire.
Butter the other side of the bread. Make a squish sandwich, and on the coals it goes. It comes out like a grilled cheese, only it tastes like pizza.
You can make cornbread, you know, just all kinds of things.
Smoky
really.
links
Smoky links.
in Jiffy mix,
Yep.
like a corn dog kind of thing.
Are you guys doing a communal meal over here?
What's that?
What are you guys cooking?
We've got
Ooh.
some Spanish rice and steak fajitas.
Dang.
We might have enough rice for you guys too. if you can convince Aaron to cook the rest of it.
Ooh, look at that. You know what? I think everyone in camp has us beat with our camp quesadillas. I feel bad now.
So tomorrow's menu is stuffed French toast with a little bit of liqueur and
Ooh.
berry topping and omelets with leftover steak fajita stuff.
Ooh. Sponsored by Old Dutch, right?
Ooh, what's that? That's our pizza. Pie pan. Pie. Oh, neat.
As our night started to wind down, the rain had finally decided to show up. Everyone began to retreat to their respective camps to get things put away, and to get ready for sleep.
Raining a little bit more. This steady rain will actually probably put us to sleep.
She comes back for a second cup. Help yourself there.
Thank you.
Tony had just picked up a Starlink system and decided to bring it out for us to check out. Even though we are not horribly far from civilization, it was really cool to see it get all set up, and will be a nice benefit on the next big adventure.
So we just got a simple little breakfast going of just peanut butter, banana, and wrap it all up. I got hearty breakfast, pretty hearty breakfast. Healthy breakfast, that's a good way to put it. I think we're just gonna hang out, let everyone wake up for a little bit before starting on our workshop class. This will be our first time ever sleeping in a rooftop tent, and it went really, really well actually. We did wake up with a little bit of condensation on the inside of the tent, but you know, you should probably expect that. No rain actually got inside the tent, so it was only that little bit of condensation. The load adjusting suspension that the Santa Cruz had actually kept it really, really stable last night, even when we were a little bit of toss and turn, but it wasn't like rocking us at all, and that could be because the iBox springs in there too. Honestly, it went really, really well. A little funny, I want you to have the perfect one.
So when we're on these radios, I'll gladly give it to you and you can use it. I brought these so that we could use them on this course.
Joe has been leading expeditions and overlanding for many years, and has taught just about everything related to the craft in his workshops. It's nice to be out and around the campfire as he goes over so many different things and in great detail. Already, we have covered maps and where to find overlanding locations, communications, and many different types of recovery gear that you should bring along with you whenever you go out on your next adventure. After all the questions have been answered and the discussion is over, we set out to practice with everything that he just showed us.
So right now, we're going through the vehicle recovery course. So it's a good thing that I put this trailer hitch on. I was going to do a video on that, but that came complicated. But I did put a trailer hitch on because the Santa Cruz has 0 factory recovery points. But I also bought a large Hitch Shackle from Rhino USA, and that is going to be what I am recovering from all day today.
Go get aggressive with it.
neither I or the Jeep owner have ever recovered with a kinetic energy rope, or at least I haven't done it in the right way. For this next exercise, we are going to get a feel on how the ropes respond and how much effort to exert when using them.
Go, 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 go.
I think I did a little too much oomph on that one. Okay, all good on my end, ready for a pull. He's gonna get revenge.
What do you want to do when you stop? Honk the horn again?
Yep, I'll give you a good honk.
Alright, get ready to go.
Go, 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 go! Just ready your right drop in. There you go. And you might catch your hitch on the back. Try.
This is going to be the biggest test so far for my Hyundai Santa Cruz. I want to be able to see how its all-wheel drive system will respond to an intense situation. Already, I can start to see those limitations. It's odd to me that when you add full throttle, the Santa Cruz refuses to spin any of the wheels, and in turn doesn't have enough power to pull itself out of the hole from a standstill. Traction control is turned off, and the car's display is telling me that all the power is going evenly to all four wheels. With just a little momentum, the vehicle was able to pull itself out, even on all-season tires. It will definitely take some practice to figure out how to maneuver this vehicle off-road.
So, now that we got that out of the way, the next thing up on our list is going to be the obstacle course. Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't pay us enough to attempt obstacles like these and risk breaking my daily driver, as much as I would like to. I believe this event would greatly exceed the limitations of my vehicle, so I'm okay passing on it. But I will let a real designed vehicle for off-road show you how it's done. With the afternoon basically spent, I think it's time for us to head home. The others will stay out a bit and continue to practice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting. This is Jake with Adventure GT, and I'll catch you later.